top 5 best air fryers. Number 1, Best Overall Air Fryer, Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. This 5.5 quart basket-style Ninja Air Fryer Max XL was the top performer in our air fryer test. It scored the highest marks across the board for ease of use, thanks to its intuitive, easy-to-read buttons and clear and useful owner's manual. During our tests, the air fryer basket slid in and out easily, which made handling a breeze. We're fans of the basket's removable tray and slick, ceramic interior, which makes it non-stick. The tray also fits snugly and securely on the bottom of the basket, so you don't have to worry about it falling out when you turn the food out onto a plate. Both basket and tray are dishwasher safe and easy to clean, even if you choose to hand wash. Pros: performed the best of the basket-style air fryers, easy to use. Cons: some may find the basket diameter a bit small. Number 2, Best Value Air Fryer, COSORI Pro 2 5.8 quart air fryer. Though it's not the least expensive air fryer on our list, this COSORI air fryer is a great value. It's straightforward, easy to use and can feed an entire family without costing a fortune. It has a 5.8 quart square basket, which offers a lot of cooking space, especially compared with its round competitors. The basket is removable and lightweight, with many vents for optimal air circulation. The control panel is loaded with presets that are programmed with recommended cooking temperatures and times, including a preheat option. The COSORI air fryer can also be used in a manual setting if none of the presets aren't the perfect fit. Pros: easy to use control panel, square basket offers good cooking area. Cons: handle can loosen over time. Number 3, Best Air Fryer for One Person, Dash Compact Air Fryer. The Dash Compact is a good air fryer for people who cook only for themselves or for someone who's new to air frying and wants to try it out. At 2 quarts, it can quickly cook one portion of food. The smaller footprint means it takes up less room on your counter, and its compact basket means easier cleaning. This model has a dial timer, which makes it a little tricky to program to the exact minute. The temperature is also set via a dial and doesn't offer many options, but we found the Dash was still a good pick since we use the max 400 degrees Fahrenheit temperature to air fry most foods. We love that it comes in an assortment of colors that pop, unlike most air fryers on the market. The Aqua, pictured here, is a fave. Pros: comes in an assortment of colors, doesn't require as much counter space as full-size models. Amazon's choice. Cons: homemade fries did not cook evenly. Number 4, Best Air Fryer Toaster Oven, Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven. Cuisinart was one of the first brands to introduce a toaster oven air fryer that allows you to toast, bake, air fry, and convection bake. We tested this digital version, which not only made the crispiest air-fried food in the shortest amount of time out of all the air fryers we tested, but also some of the most evenly colored toast in our toaster oven test. The rectangular 15.5 by 16-inch air fry rack offers a large cooking surface, especially compared with basket-style air fryers, and sits atop a drip/crumb tray for easy cleanup. Since launching the toaster oven air fryer, Cuisinart also introduced a smaller, non-digital version with the same features and quality performance, as well as a same-sized model with a grill pan that we're eager to test. Pros: cooks very quickly, large cooking surface. Cons: since foods cook quickly using air fry, we recommend using a lower temp and keeping a close eye on food to help prevent burning. Number 5, Best Air Fryer with Widno, Instant Pot Vortex plus ClearCook. Air fryers from Instant, the same brand that makes Instant Pot multi-cookers, have been on our list of best air fryers since we started testing them. The ones we tested, including this one, are easy to program and high-performing. This one particularly stands out for its see-through window design, which allows you to peer inside without pulling out the basket. It also has a light that can be turned on manually and that turns on automatically right before the timer goes off. Pros: preheat function, manual light turns on right before the timer goes off. Cons: tray falls out when basket is turned upside down, use silicone tip tongs to serve.